Hey guys, and welcome to a new video because this is the new year 2026 and I've got a new toy to play with. This was a Secret Santa gift given to me by my colleague Ian and it's a pretty expensive one and it's a pretty useful one. So today I'm going to use this. This is basically a JTW portable motorcycle and car washer. So you can see the gun. It comes with this battery, two batteries, just like this, they're twin batteries, and you slot it in here, almost like you would a cartridge. And then so the gun comes with this thing. Basically you drop it into the water and it sucks water. So this is the pressure without the nozzle. That's quite enough weak, right? You pull this back, pull it back gently and then put this in like that. Today I have two bikes to wash. This is my dad's Suzuki Access 125 BS6 aka Jazz, my Pulsar RS200 BS6 aka Maverick. We're going to wash it with this, and I've got beer shampoo because I don't drink beer, I use it on my hair. And this is pretty much okay. So this is not as pressurized as what the professional washers have. That's like you can't put your hand in front. This you can put your hand in front. It won't hurt you. So Joella Digama is on shampoo duty.
Hi guys.
It's always good to have someone on shampoo duty. All soapy. Bus? Shake well before you serve. Negative point about this system, which I found now by using it, is that this stock soap container that they give you is too small, because I washed the RS, then I came onto the Access and I could only cover the front end with soap and then it's over. So for one motorcycle I think it's fine, but if you go to wash two vehicles you're going to have a problem because it's over. There's nothing left. Look at it. There's no soap left. It's just water, and the water is unlimited because it's coming through the bucket. So the water is not the problem, but the soap container is too small to wash two vehicles. So another negative point that I found by using it is that this thing is made of plastic. It's very light. So if you just drop it in the water like that, you can see it's not sinking. Now every time the level of water changes, you lose flow. Like look at this. There is no flow. So you have to wait for that thing to, now it's sunk underneath. Now it's sunk and now you'll get flow. After a few seconds, you'll get flow. So my common feedback this is that if you increase the weight of this thing so that it sinks immediately to the bottom of the bucket, you will get flow, uninterrupted flow, as long as the bucket has water. So this is the 66 bhp microfiber cloth, 250 GSM, relatively inexpensive, 75 rupees is what is written on the packet. Why do you use microfiber cloth? Because when you clean the surface of motorcycles, cars, the paint is very sensitive. So if the GSM of the cloth is too rough, it will scratch the surface, even if it's plastic or metal. So that's why you use a particular cloth to wash your motorcycle and car. Now just wipe off the vehicle. I'm not going to tell you all how to wash a vehicle because it's a very personal thing. It's like taking a bath. Sometimes you want to take a bath in a bathtub. Sometimes you just want to sit under the shower for 30 seconds. It's totally up to you. It's a personal preference. But this is what I do with my motorcycle. And if you didn't realize I was talking about motorcycles, get your dirty mind out of the gutter. But I will tell you this, that when you're cleaning off the bike, the metal parts, I think you should dry it off, because if there's water on metal, it will start rusting after some time. So after I wash my bike, I like to start up and let the engine heat up. Especially this part of the bike, so that with the heat the water will evaporate eventually, and you also get to see if something went wrong during your washing process. And don't drive the bike because it's very cold right now. The bike is extremely cold. Normally a standing bike is cold, but after you wash the bike, it becomes more cold. Everything is more contracted, more compressed. The most useless headlight on a scooter is this headlight. Useless, because it doesn't have enough illumination for the night. The LEDs are pointing at the moon, I don't know why, like as if it's trying to contact the moon. Okay, to sum it up, and this is the end of the video, this is an extremely useful tool to wash your vehicle. Now I don't know how long this battery will last because today I washed only 2 vehicles, but it's still working. Now if you're washing a car, maybe it might be inadequate, but for 2 motorcycles it works well. Like I said earlier, the shampoo bottle could have been better, but it's very useful. It's lightweight and it saves you a lot of time because of the plumbing. Like you just attach it to the bucket and you're done. So that's a good thing, and for the price I think it's a good purchase. So that is all for this video. Clean your bike and maybe you can do some South Indian thing. Rajnikant waves a lot of. Like, share, subscribe, always wear your helmet. I'm not wearing a helmet right now because I'm not riding, I'm just heating it up. Bye.